Okay, so laniwani na example yin'wana leyi hi nga ta va ni kha ni yi solver. So laniwa xa best i ku hi solver this part, that term, and this term individually, and then we combine everything at the end. So laniwa hi na leswi hi swi vitanaka ti co-function identities. Ku nga leyiwa na leyiwa, right? And then laniwa hi tlhela hi va na cos 180 leyi ringanaka na -1. You can check this on the calculator, but even though the question says you cannot use a calculator, but these, it's actually -1. So lexi nga xi endlaku, these cofactor identities hi leti landzelaka, or not co-function, not cofactor. So hi na sin 90 minus x, which is equals to cos x. Cos 90 minus x yi ringana na sin x, right? These co-function identities hi nga ti tirhisa laniwa, because in the previous question that I did, or previous video, I used the compound formulas, one of the compound angle formulas to get this. But then there's actually like an easier way ya ku munhu anga suka from this to that, which is using the co-function identities. So nakambe laniwa lexi nga xi endlaku i ku hi nga solver leyiwa, leyi nga laha handle laniwa, then hi solver njhani? Hi solver hi ndlela leyiwa, right? Leswi swa ha fana na loko ni feke ti-bracket leti, so ni ku square laha, ma vona? So laniwa lexi xi nga hi oloviselaku i ku a hi solveni leyiwa yi nga ndeka ti-bracket letiwa, then hi solveni, then hi ta hi square, then hi kuma answer leyi hi lavaka. So laniwa for this one, for now hi nga tirhisa ti-compound angle formulas, even though ku na ndlela yo olova ya ku munhu a nga kuma answer ra lexiwa, kambe ni ta mi komba hi ti-compound angle formulas. So laniwa again hi tsala leyiwa, lexi tsakisaka hi ti-formula letiwa i ku ti kona ka data sheet, so like you don't have to worry about memorizing them. Wena mo meka sure ku ma swi twisisa ku ri ti tirhisiwa ku yini. So this is actually ma vona? So laniwani cos 180 and -1, then sin 180 is 0, then laniwani negative cos x, ma vona? So I didn't already say we're almost done hi problem leyi nga ku yi solveni laniwa. So lexi nga xi endlaka xin'wana hi leyiwa, this term there na yona hi tsaleni, ma vona? So a hi tsundzukeni ku ri tan yi negative in the second and fourth quadrant, and this angle here, or this part, it's in the fourth quadrant. Leswi swi vula ku hi nga yi tsala as negative tan x. So hi nga yi tsala hi ndlela yaleyo, or like ku yi kona yin'wana ndlela ya ku prove ku leyi impela leswi i negative tan x, ya ku mi nga yi tsala so, then cos 360 minus lewa. Then use those compound angle formulas. Misala na sin x la hansi misala na cos x, and then sin x divided by cos x tan x. Like one of these answers will give you a negative answer. Then that's where that negative will come from. So yeah, I hope Miss la. So Lanua we can rewrite this part here. After we solved like the individual parts, and now I'm gonna combine everything. So I think ingafika iku layer cause this part ilewa isolve in lanua iti iringana na mani na no sorry landabolo we square this part. So the first part, which is this one, so this part iringana na this cos squared x. So the cos squared x, then lanua ingaribalo akuna in negative la, and na line negative, so it's minus tan x. Then multiplication, then this term ibalawri iringana na lewa. We're using those co-function identities. So lewa sin x. Then itabana minus lewa again iringana na lewa, which is just cos x. Then I again lanu I take cos 108 is equals to -1. So multiply by -1. Multiply by -1. So lanu he now this expression, then enter this. You can change this tan into, you can write this tan as sin x divided by cos x, because this and that will become positive. Then sin x equals x times sin that, plus, because minus times -1, that's positive. Then you can multiply sine times sine is sine squared x divided by, so lanuani, we need to find the lowest common denominator, but which in this case is just cos x. So lanu it's cos. So yeah, I am showing. Then lanu it's cos x times cos x over cos x. Lanu endela ku ikota kubana this term ibana a denominator cos x. That's why the cos x divided by cos x. Plus cos, since now the denominator litafana cos x at this term we can add the numerators. No, this term here, or sine squared x plus cos squared x swi ringana na 1. Ni swi kombisini ka video leyi ni nga endla le masunguleni, and there's actually a way ya ku munhu a nga swi prove ku ri himpela swilo leswi ringana na 1, kambe a yi nge swi endli kona la ka video leyiwani. Ngabo? So laniwa hi ta ku cos squared x divided by cos x, leswi swi ringanaka na mani na cos x. Laniwa leswi swi nga endleka laha swi hambana na loko mi ri na x squared divided by x, which is just x. So it's very similar to leswi nga endleka laniwa. So yeah, that's it.